What determines your character? What psychological forces make you who you are? How did you develop your habits? The answer to all these questions lies with personality. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly what personality is. The term personality often appears in our day-to-day discussion. The literal meaning of personality is derived from the Latin word persona, which means the masks used by actors in Roman theatre for changing their facial makeup. For a layperson, personality generally refers to physical or external appearances of an individual. For example, when we find someone good looking, we often assume that the person also has a charming personality. This notion of personality is based on superficial impressions which may not be correct. Personality does not refer to physical characteristics, abilities, or temporary states. What do you understand by the term personality? Let me know in the comment section below. In psychological terms, personality refers to our characteristic ways of responding to individuals and situations. It refers to individual differences in patterns of thinking, feeling, and behaving. Let's look at these three terms individually. Number 1. Thinking includes differences between people in what kind of thoughts they have about a situation, how they reason, solve problems, and make decisions. For example, what aspect of a situation do you tend to focus on? Is it the positive, like optimist, or is it the negative aspect of a situation, like pessimist? Number 2. Feeling refers to differences between people in the types of emotions they have. For example, do you tend to be happy or unhappy? Do you experience intense emotions or not? Do you get angry easily? Are you especially sensitive to rejection? Number 3. Behaving includes differences between people in how they typically respond. For example, do you tend to talk a lot? Do you usually go along with what other people want or insist on doing things your own way? Are you neat and tidy or sloppy and disorderly? Do you like to try new things or do you always order the same thing when you go out to eat? People can easily describe the way in which they respond to various situations. In this sense, personality refers to unique and relatively stable qualities that characterize an individual's behavior across different situations and over a period of time. If you watch closely, you will find that people show variations in their behavior. One is not always cautious or impulsive or shy or friendly. Personality characterizes individuals as they appear in most circumstances. Consistency in behavior, thought, and emotion of an individual across situations and across time periods will characterize his or her personality. For example, an honest person is more likely to remain honest irrespective of time or situation. However, situational variations in behavior do occur as they help individuals in adapting to their environmental circumstances. Once we are able to characterize someone's personality, we can predict how that person will probably behave in a variety of situations. An understanding of personality allows us to deal with people in a realistic and acceptable way. Let's say you find a child who does not like orders. The most effective way to deal with that child will be not to give orders, but to present a set of acceptable alternatives from which the child may choose. Similarly, a child who has feelings of inferiority needs to be treated differently from a child who is self-confident. Psychologists interested in the study of personality try to answer certain questions about the nature and origin of individual differences in personality. You may have observed that two children in the same family develop dramatically different personalities. Not only do they look physically different, but they also behave differently in different situations. These observations often generate curiosity and force us to ask, why is it that some people react differently in a given situation than others? Why is it that some people enjoy more adventurous activities while others like reading, watching television, or playing cards? Are these differences stable all through one's life, or are they just short-lived and situation specific? A number of approaches and theories have been developed to understand behavioral differences amongst individuals and explain behavioral consistencies within an individual. These theories are based on different models of human behavior. Explanations for personality can focus on a variety of influences, ranging from genetic explanations for personality traits to the role of environment and experience in shaping an individual's personality. If you you want to know more about how nature and nurture influence human development, make sure to watch this video. The research into personality has practical implications in the real world. For example, personality assessments can help you learn about yourself and understand your unique traits. It can also help you appreciate your strengths and weaknesses. Personality assessment can also be used to decide what type of job would be best suited for you and what careers you would succeed at. Research shows that certain personality types may be linked to illness and health outcomes and can predict frequency of doctor visits and stress management. Such insights can aid in better management of your health. If you enjoyed watching this video, please share it with others and subscribe to this channel. As always, thanks for watching.